This is going to be awesome.
Or total failure.
Okay.
Hello and welcome to the Oxcast. No, just...
So.
Okay, here we go.
Hey, Zero.
What's up?
Let's get together, group. Let's move it out now.
We're moving on out. Moving on. I forgot we could do that.
We finally got a piece of the pie. Yeah, I'm moving on.
Oh, there it is. It's on his broad, sexy chest.
Why is the tape short his nipple? Well,
Actually, it's above his. Actually, it's above. It's a.
Fucked up.
It's above his nipple.
Hold on. The loading thing was messed up for me, and the tape was like on its side, sticking out of where his nipple would be, and I'm like, what the fuck?
That's some kinky shit.
Yeah.
All right.
Yep.
Yeah, I thought it was some. I thought it was above the nipple on my screen.
To the left.
Oh God.
Oh
right,
wow.
Move to the right. To the right. To the right.
Hide my head, I wanna drown my sorrow. No tomorrow.
I'm fixing a Blair from Pandora.
And I find it kind of funny.
No, you don't.
Wait, no, you don't. I think I found it. I think I found it.
They're a bit down.
Right now? But I'm in the middle of the game, Mom.
Aha! There you are, you little bastard.
What?
I have to go, apparently. No.
Aww.
Oh no.
Okay, I have
Alright,
to.
yeah.
I'm
Oh,
sorry.
it's okay.
But,
It's okay, Jess.
I know if I'll be on tomorrow. I honestly don't know. Most
It's
likely
alright.
not.
I don't think I'll be on anyways because I do have work tomorrow.
Okay.
Me too.
Well, guys, y'all can kiss me. Okay. And, I will talk to you guys later. I will go find the monster and give it a hug.
That's awesome.
Hey, buddy! I'm giving the monster a hug. Why shake your head? No, you don't want to give me a hug? No, you wouldn't.
Wow.
Okay, thank you. Okay. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye. I'll be mad if if she went to give the monster a hug and it was like no, and it started running away from her. I'm like, what the hell? Is that the secret the whole time, running to it?
I'll be pretty much.
Maybe.
Whenever we see it, it's like, run to it, guys, run to it. It can't stand hugs.
Remember that? You should tell the story about the one time we played this and the creature spawned in front of us. You should tell it to the people.
Oh my god. Oh my god. So guys, right? Oh, that was great. We were running. It was me and Zombie, right? And we were just running up this road. And as soon as we got to the end of the road, the zombie spawned right in front of us. It was like an inch or two away from our face. And then as soon as that, we turned the opposite way and ran like mad quick. It was crazy.
Hello?
Oh god. Oh god.
Oh!
Who just died? Who just died?
Nobody. Not yet.
I heard something scream. I was scared.
That was Josh's.
My bad.
Oh.
My TV was loud.
You scared me, bro. Oh god, turn to the left. Go back the other way, because he's right there. I'm trying to get out of this area right here.
There, don't just stand there. Move your fight like ass.
Shut up.
Oh god, I am left behind. This is not good for me.
Zombie.
Yes.
That's a mighty fine house you have there. Be ashamed if something happened to it.
One.
Oh, here it is. Look. We got some urns over here, people.
What is
urns.
Wait for me, amigo.
I'm scared. I'm very
Don't be scared.
scared.
Don't be scared. I'll hold you tightly.
Look who's talking.
Oh god, I see him to the right.
Me too.
Go to the left, guys.
Like I shot 50 warheads into my asshole. God, that's up. That's great.
What the hell?
Guys, I want you to know, I just want you guys to know that if we die, I want them to bundle my body close to yours so I feel safe.
Justin, I just want you to know I was the one that used your control to unclog my toilet.
You son of a bitch, I knew it was you. Why the hell did you lie to me?
I'm a ghost. Oh.
Okay, he's not behind us. I wanted to go back to the area to see if there was a radio there.
Wait for me!
Did he? Oh god, he's there. Turn to the right.
Oh!
Keep close to this wall.
Behind you, sound whoring.
I hear.
Benny is a bastard.
Yeah. I'm not dealing with that shit.
Wait for me!
Oh, I saw that.
Damn, Justin is power walking.
Oh, there it is. I found another one. Another area.
Oh god, I'm gonna die. Why did I pick this guy with the face paint? Why?
Something.
Yeah.
I don't see him. Look at his nose. Look at the guy's nose.
Check his arsehole.
Jiminy Bo Billy Bob.
Okay, well there's a double point in a cell. That's interesting.
Hello?
Yeah, bro, you have to go into purgatory in order to get it.
What the? A gun just appeared out of that chalk drawing. That's funny.
Hey, what up, guys?
Oh.
You found it.
What's on the wall?
Go zero.
Inspector Zero.
That was the worst Woody Pecker fucking imitation ever.
Man, Woody Woodpecker.
My
Oh god. Oh. Oh god.
Oh god, turn back. Turn around. Oh god.
Oh. My penis is shriveled.
Oh, Justin, I want you to know I replaced all your hand sanitizer with boo. And yes, I was that guy hiding in the closet, laughing my ass off, rubbing your hands in it.
It's okay. Later that night after I left,
God's
my girl said that she
wolf,
wanted sex with
where
me.
are you?
It's okay, the lube actually helped me.
God's white wolf, where are you? We got some work to do now.
Oh god, keep going straight.
God's
Oh
white
god,
wolf,
be careful, you don't look at the
where are
statue.
you? Cthulhu statues near you.
Oh wow.
Come on, Hero and Justin. I see you.
You're not helping
Amazing.
me.
Amazing. Amazing Cthulhu statue near you.
I'm getting no morale.
You're not fooling me, cause I can't see that
My morale booster just left. She was here and she left. Oh my god.
You know that creature's in this forest. He's gonna try to steal all your souls.
Shut up!
Oh no!
He just turns you to stone.
And Justin and David, if you're not careful, he'll turn
Benny,
you to
if you lose your
the rolling
your soul,
stone.
that's what happens. Wait, who died already?
Hey!
I knew that.
What do you think sing? Die.
Justin and David, here are you. You're
That's not
ready,
why you.
and you
Actually,
still
sometimes he just sings just to sing. So.
Cause we can count on you, God's white wolf. I know you'll be the last one standing.
Yeah, I'm gonna die.
You should honestly not. You should honestly not put so much faith in me.
Well,
and that was
going to die horribly.
And that was the parody of Scooby-Doo.
Oh, what's up, bro? Cross the bridge, maybe the headless horseman.
Didn't Ichabod Crane still die from that even though he crossed the bridge because the headless horseman threw the pumpkin at it and it killed him?
Fuck off.
I'm just saying.
Pumpkins.
You're a dick, you know.
Smashing pumpkins.
Just like the band.
Exactly. Hey, just be happy I didn't do that theme. Yeah, just be happy I didn't...
Careful with the statue. Don't look at it.
Just be happy I didn't
bro?
do... Wow. Just be happy I didn't do the Sum 41 version of the Scooby-Doo song.
Electric Cherry.
What I would do for an electric cherry right now. Oh! What the hell? I just watched him spawn in.
Well, that's pretty scary.
He has an animation like jumps out of the ground.
What?
Like I look over and he just rose out of the ground.
Well, that's a good way to transportation to get around.
No.
Why didn't I think about that?
What?
Because you were thinking at the time.
Digging underground and then digging out of it.
I need a manhole. I need a manhole.
You can't handle a manhole.
All I could think about there was zombies thing. It's like, hey, I know you're here. I'm not trying to scare you, but I'm just trying to tell you some stuff. Ooh, bam! Get it out.
That's not weird at all.
Oh my God! Turn around and run. The way we just came because it's right there.
It's here. On the tape recorder.
The what? The tape recorder? Oh,
right here.
Let me find it quickly before he gets me.
God's white wolf, here you are. You're taking it like a boss.
Sounds so wrong.
Yeah, it does. I feel like I'm getting raped and somebody's cheering.
Shut the donut up, Benigino, before I kick you in your donut.
Pretty much you don't want me to stuff my foot up your donut hole, right? Alright then.
Wow.
Oh.
How is it so far, bro?
What?
Out of here, man.
How is it so far?
I'm pretty
Yo,
lost.
back up.
Yeah, I figured that. It's a pretty big map, right?
You don't know me like that.
Maybe I should go this. Oh, this way is open already for some reason.
Looks like
Back off, man.
Oh crap!
Zombie, I'm just letting you. Look, monster. I'm just letting you know that I have AIDS. So if you take my soul, you're just gonna get AIDS. I know you don't want ghost AIDS, right?
How do you feel about that, people? Comment and subscribe.
How do you feel about what? Ghost AIDS?
Run, move.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Throw the guillotine!
Did it kill him?
No, he's still alive.
Let's go. Just keep going. Just keep going. Walking, don't turn around.
I am. Be careful,
I'm sure
statues to the
you
right.
tell when I die.
There's a Cthulhu statue to the right.
Look, there's sometimes when people die and I have no idea why they die.
Humankind cannot gain anything without first giving something in return.
Oh, what the fuck?
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Turn to the left! Turn to the left!
Then you're not even in this game, so you can't, you know.
Oh, I can't.
Shut up.
Oh my God! Look down. Go this way.
Oh, he's right behind us.
Oh, right here. And I just found a sawmill.
Get up, and get down. Take control of the situation, gentlemen.
I don't see it.
Come on, man, I'm tripping balls.
What balls? You're a woman.
No, you don't know.
Wow.
That's
Alright. I'm moving on. I don't see nothing there.
Well, your character's a woman.
Near. Immediately. Oh, no. Come on. Okay, come on now. That's not right. Why would you do that? Why would you ever do that to someone? That's so not
Oh my
right.
god.
I feel like it'd be safer inside a cell.
Justin, hold up, man. Hold on.
There's a bridge over there.
That's how Josh said. I think it's
Over there,
Sorry.
there's a bridge here.
I think what I'm gonna do now is freak out.
One,
Right.
two, the creature's coming.
Shut up!
You.
God, turn around, you're
So what I'm gonna do now is freak out.
There's a tape
Oh, there's
recorder
a
up there.
tape recorder.
Doesn't this remind you of the part where Benny went up here and he got killed?
Yes. Benny's sacrifice was totally worth it.
Hold on, Justin. I'm having trouble.
Right, Benny?
Yeah,
That caused us to win.
it did.
Wait, what
Hey,
call?
Zero, don't
Oh.
turn around.
Yo, you
I'm
just throat.
I'm
Shut your fucking throat.
I think I agree with Bill, but that's good.
Oh. Benny, ram your and I'll let this do, so shut up.
It's not my fault.
Losing my ding dong in his bunker. It may get lost in there. Then I can never return it back.
It's not my fault that you guys are gonna get killed.
Yeah, and most of the times when he's working with the ladies, he needs that, right,
Oh
man?
yeah,
Wow.
I can't just use my hands. That'd be not satisfying for me.
Justin,
Like,
why'd
you
you,
using your hands?
why'd you
See,
turn
I
off
lost
your
my
flashlight?
ding dong for a long time.
I'm trying to save the battery. Your thing shines brighter when you turn it off for a little bit.
They
Don't
say,
worry about me.
They say old
Oh, here's the
man
windmills.
They say old man never crackers ghost still haunts this windmill today.
Shut up, Les.
If you start saying stupid crap like
Holy
that,
crap, I haven't heard that
I'm gonna
name in
punch
4
you.
years.
Mom can't answer the door. I'm not going to answer the door.
Wait, Justin, there's a tape recorder here.
I'm not picking
Got
up
it.
the door.
Could there be 8 people? Will they finally find all 8?
Use the key.
Comment.
I can! Man.
Oh yeah,
Hold on.
Story does run out.
Oh.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
I can't wait to see this on YouTube. I can't wait.
Oh, that's not fair! Grenades!
Oh, hello. Just
I think Josh just met the warden.
Ah!
Did you die?
Running,
No, he's still alive.
Oh, thank Bob.
For a jogger, you do not run fast.
Run faster than your fat ass. Oh, what's up?
I can't even run.
Exactly.
The graveyard. This is
Oh,
gotta be
come
where the last
on!
one is.
Damn it.
Come on, Justin.
Seeing if this here.
He spawned right to your left.
It's here! It's here!
Hey, does anyone wanna, like, help me? Eventually.
Here, where is it? Where is it?
Hold on.
Oh no. Justin.
What? There it is!
Yes! You made it.
What's Zero's character?
Done. Surprise.
An ancient
Oh.
evil. awakens from its slumber.
Tell me there's gotta be a part 2 to that, mother.
Alright, now hold on.
Bro.
Billy.
Tell me there's gotta be a part 2 to that mother donut.
I don't know. We did good. We did good.
He did good. You died.
I'm mad my guy didn't scream at all. That guy got 0 screams.
That'll do, Fig. That'll do.
That'll do, Piggy. That'll do.
Are you watching the
Got a
replay?
pig heart. My heart's weird.
Yeah, I'm watching the replay. Bro, no need to curse.
Oh.
Your character, he cursed.
Well, I can't control that.
Yeah, you can.
That's no.
Justin and David, you just beat White Noise Online. Tell me, the people of YouTube want to know, what does it feel like to win?
Yeah, it feels pretty gay.
Pretty awesome. I kind of want to masturbate, and yeah, that's about it. White Noise Online.
In the